Joining us right now for a legal debate is defense attorney Eric Guster and trial attorney Lisa Giovanazzo. Welcome to both of you. Eric, do you think we should move this? You think it's the only fair thing to do for the killer?
You have to make sure that a person gets a fair trial, so it should be moved. Out of an abundance of caution, it needs to be moved because in that town, people are paying a lot of attention to it. Although the American Sniper movie is international and people are talking about it all over, for that particular city, the judge has to make sure that this person gets a fair trial and that it's moved.
I'll tell you what, your review. 2 people were killed when he got a call, did Chris Kyle, from the mother of the would-be killer of Chris Kyle, and his friend say, listen, he's having trouble, he's come back from the war, he's a Marine, would you help him adjust like you've helped so many other veterans? He said, sure, we'll go to the firing range like I do a lot, it's great therapy, and he ends up getting the gun turned on him, killed, and the guy steals his truck.
Yes, and it's a horrible crime, and he's admitted to it. That is one of the major issues with this case.
He wants to say he wasn't mentally right, and to save his life.
There was diminished capacity, which the defense is trying to show that this man did not know the negative actions or the consequences of his actions, that he could not appreciate. But in that city, they're paying a lot more attention to this trial. If it was moved from that city, then they may not pay attention to it as closely.
And Eric, and to your point, if you see his funeral and the real footage is in the movie, he's a local hero. They gathered around on the highway. They were on underpasses. And when firefighters were there.
But you said the most important words. He was a local hero. That is reason enough for it to move. But he's a local hero. Okay. I mean, he may be a national hero, but to the local people who are going to judge this man, whether he's guilty or not, he is a hero.
The judge has to charge the jury.
Great point. Hey, listen, a very civilized debate. There are no winners here, but it is going to be curious to see what they decide to do. Don't forget, Chad Littlefield also lost his life that day. All right, thanks to both of you. Appreciate you coming in.
Thanks for having us.
Coming up straight.